Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shaina, I'm a physical therapist. I'm going to demonstrate Epley's maneuver today for Bppv. Before we dive into the maneuver, I want to talk about why this maneuver is performed and also just listen to the whole video till the end. I'm going to tell you what all things you have to take care of, what all things you have to avoid so that you don't feel any discomfort during the process. In postural canal Bppv, there's a tiny calcium crystal which gets dislodged. Normally, fluid movements inside this canal only occur when the head is moving, but because of those crystals which are dislodged, they create abnormal fluid movements inside the air, which tricks your brain into thinking your head is spinning, even if it's not. That's why simple movements like rolling in bed, looking up, looking down can suddenly trigger vertigo. Now I'm going to demonstrate the Epley's maneuver. The goal of this maneuver is to guide the loose crystal out of the postural canal so that they don't cause any symptoms. So let's dive in. To perform this maneuver, you're going to take a pillow and you're going to place it slightly above your upper back, and your neck is going to extend 20 to 30 degrees like this. Now for the starting position, you're going to turn your neck 45-degree angle towards the side, which triggers your vertigo. I'm going to demonstrate towards my left side. 45-degree angle left. Stay in this position for 30 to 60 seconds. If you have posterior Bppv, people also get symptoms like nystagmus, that is sudden eye movement, which is normal. People also get dizziness and feel like throwing up, which is also normal. Just trust the process and everything will get better. After 30 to 60 seconds, you're going to turn your neck 90 degrees towards your right side. That is 45-degree angle towards your right side. Stay in this position for another 30 to 60 seconds. Breathe naturally. After 30 to 60 seconds, you're going to roll towards your right side and you're going to bend your neck 45-degree horizontal. Stay in this position for 30 to 60 seconds. Breathe naturally. After 30 to 60 seconds, when your symptom feels better, you're going to sit up. And you're going to stay in this position for another 30 to 60 seconds. Keep breathing, relax your body. This whole process is 1 rep. And relax. Few things you need to understand about this maneuver. Number 1, these position changes are done in such a way that it takes about 30 to 60 seconds for the crystal to settle down in the most dependent position. Second, if you reposition the neck before the crystals get time to settle down, then the crystal will go back in the wrong position and the maneuver will fail. Third, it's very important that your head and your neck position is in the right direction. If they're not in the right direction, then again the crystal will not go back in the right way how they're supposed to be, and again the maneuver will fail. And the last, if this maneuver is done very slowly, then again the crystal will not get the momentum to settle down and again the maneuver will fail. So make sure you follow along the video, you go through all the steps one by one and you do the maneuver in the right way to see the good difference. Try to do this at least for 2 to 3 reps in one session and do it once or twice a day to see the difference. Listen to your body, how you're feeling. If you think 2 times a day is too much for you initially, you can start once a day and then you can progress. If you have any questions for me, do drop down in the comment. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.